Nanoparticles, lasers, and liquids. How do these go together? Well, like you, I'm full of questions. Hello, my name is Keith, and today I want us to have a look at how to operate the Brave B-Continuous Process Analytical Device.
This is Michael. He works as a test and mechanical engineer for Brave Analytics. This brave young man will show us how to set up the Brave B-Continuous Process Analytical Device. Basically, for every installation, these steps must be taken. Decide on the sample withdrawal point within your production process for the bypass connection. In this case, we measure right after the particle synthesis at this particle reactor. For the sample outlet, connect the waste connection or recollect the sample again if wanted for further analysis. If needed, connect the dilution media to your Brave B-Continuous device for automatic sample preparation. Make sure all connections are tight. Now it's time to load your method, define your sample ID, and configure the last specs before you press start. In the main window, Hans instantly calculates size and number-based size distribution. He shows you the detected single particles as stripes. In the bottom graph, you can see the particle concentration and d-value statistics over time. The measurements can run continuously from minutes up to hours to track your processes. From now on, the Brave B-Continuous provides you with the data you need for seamless process monitoring and control, 24/7 and in real time. And what happened before? Together with you, the Brave team defined the software adaptations, planned the installation, and implemented software and interfaces into your production lines. Then, for your measurements, you have either coordinated your samples with Brave Analytics and the feasibility studies have been positive, or you have used the Brave Be Curious lab device for your upscaling procedure to define the parameters for the production process.
Fantastic. I'm impressed with how smoothly the implementation of the Brave B-Continuous works. Now there is no need for individual measurements, and waste can definitely be reduced as monitoring is automatic and continuous. I also love that Brave Be Curious allows you to run the lab tests yourself before scaling up the system and using the defined method for monitoring industrial production.